Hi, I'm Emma, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this awesome and very fearsome Viking longboat. Are you ready? Let's get started. If you enjoy this video, subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and click the bell icon to be notified when new videos are posted. I'm going to show you how to use cardboard and some other common crafting items to create this amazing and fearsome Viking longboat. Did you know that longboats and long ships were used by the Vikings to get across choppy seas and often featured carved figureheads at the front, like this dragon we'll be making today? This is a great school project or just a fun make to try at home. We've designed a handy template for you to use, but feel free to make your own. You will need an A3 pack of coloured card, A4 piece of brown card, A4 piece of white paper, a wooden dowel, wooden sticks, jute twine, tacky glue, felt tip pens, sellotape. You will also need a printed template available from the Hobbycraft Ideas Hub, pencil, some scissors, a large cardboard box. Cut out the boat shapes from the downloadable template and tape the two pieces together. Draw around your template onto the cardboard twice, so you have two sides for your boat. Cut out either with scissors or ask an adult to help with a craft knife. Glue the two dragons' heads together and glue the two tails together. The middle of the boat should have no glue. Leave this to dry. While this is drying, cut out the separate head and tail and draw around these on your red card twice. Cut out the shapes out of the red card. You should now have two red heads and two red tails. Stick one of the heads onto the cardboard and the tail onto the other end of the boat. Repeat this on the other side. Once dry, you can add your design. We're using a black felt tip pen to draw the dragon's face and scales, and a white paint marker to add the dragon's pointed teeth. Once dried, open up the two sides of the boat slightly. They should form an oval shape. Place your boat onto your cardboard and draw around the inside. This should leave you an oval shape to create the boat's base. Cut this out. Glue along all edges of the base piece and fit this into the bottom of your boat. Once the base is in place, use some clear tape to tape the bottom to the sides and hold it in place as it dries. Cut another oval shape of the boat and cut into 3 strips. These will be the seats in the boat. In the centre of one piece of card, push your pencil through to make a hole for the mask. Glue the strip with the hole in to the centre of the boat. Repeat this with the other 2 strips, one for the front and one for the back. Next, make your oars. Cut out a paddle template and draw around it on brown card. Cut out around the outline of the paddle. Attach the cardboard paddles to the short sticks using red masking tape to secure. Use your pencil to poke holes in the side of the boat. Now make the shields. Cut out the shield template and draw onto blue and yellow card. Cut out the circles and crosses. Stick the blue crosses onto the yellow circles and the yellow crosses onto the blue shields. Stick these onto the longboat. To make the sail, take a sheet of A4 card and cut it into a square, 21 cm by 21. Then cut some strips of white card. You will need to make them about 1.5 cm wide, and you need around 6. Glue these strips of white to the red square to make a stripy sail. Make 2 holes, one in the top and one in the bottom of the sail. You can use your pencil to make the holes. Cut out the flag shape from the template and draw around it on red card twice. Cut out and stick together around the mast to create a small flag. Push the sail onto the dowel using the holes you made with your pencil. Add your sail to the boat by pushing the dowel into the hole of the middle seat. Add your oars to the boat. Oars come in pairs, so make sure you have the same number on each side. Time to decorate! Add some rigging to your boat using the jute twine. Sellotape one end of the twine inside your boat. Go up your mast and wrap around 2 or 3 times at the top of your sail. Bring the twine down to the other end of your boat and tape in place. Cut. And that's it! Your very own Viking longboat is finished and ready to sail the high seas. Go to hobbycraft.co.uk to book a workshop, find a new craft project, or learn a new skill. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below, and I will see you soon for some more videos.